How's it going, everyone? It's Eddie back with another quick unboxing. If you like this video today, please smash that like button and subscribe for more unboxings. Today I'm unboxing the MX Master 3 for Mac. I got this mouse for the compatibility with the Mac OS. Let's take a look around the box. This mouse uses USB Type-C to charge. This mouse also has a lifespan of 70 hours on a single charge, and a 5-minute quick charge gets you 8 hours of usage. This mouse only uses Bluetooth and can connect up to 3 devices. Also, this mouse has a feature called Logitech that allows for files to be moved between different operating systems and computers. This mouse has a space gray finish to match your Mac. Okay, let's get into it and open up this beast. Nice ghost finish logo of the MX logo. Pull the tab and open up. First thing that is shown is the mouse itself. Let's put it to the side and see what else is in the box. This little box has the instructions and the Type-C cable. Here is the Type-C cable. Quick start guide and warranty paperwork. Let's place this aside and look at the mouse. Overall, a good looking mouse. This mouse has a metal scroll wheel that can scroll one line at a time, or push this button to have the scroll wheel free spin. This mouse also has a side scroll wheel that I will be using to move along video timeline when editing my videos. All buttons are clicky. On the bottom has a sticker that shows how to connect the mouse and button to switch easy between 3 devices. Really nice feeling finish. Here's a programmable gesture button. Here's a charging port. Great hand feel and very comfortable. This has been an unboxing of the MX Master 3 for Mac. And again, if you like this unboxing, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Peace.